So I'm sure that a lot of you will see that type of transition is really cool, like particularly this one. And today I will show you how to do it. This is really easy and really interesting. So let's do it together. So first of all, please create a new slide on our presentation. Just call it like matrix or somehow, how do you know? So for example, in my head, analogy and association with this type of effect, it's matrix. So like you could call it like how do you want. I will show you the idea of working with it. I have found it a long time ago on some tutorial, and I just was like it, and I think, wow, this is really cool. I change the idea, but I still use it. So first of all, when you want to do this thing, please go and change your view mode. It's because like we're gonna be working with those areas which are not connected with your slide. So for example, please insert, let's start from 3 different positions. Let's insert first square, make the square really big, copy and paste it 2 times. So basically we have a 3 square, and put all of those squares outside of a Microsoft PowerPoint slide, and be sure that they all on a same direction, same position. So this is gonna be our first slide. Then duplicate this slide and put first your object in a place where do you want. And here you could play with size of this object. Then we go transition, morph, and we already see what do we have. Okay, let's duplicate slide, click here and rechange it. So for example, we change on this side, change their position. For example, let's put it here, and next slide, next object, put on the same position where we're previous. And also we put morph. So do you see what do you have? Yeah, this is really easy. So let's duplicate and let's put this here. Try to do it firstly because we need to have the same position on a slide, because you don't want to change their position. Okay. Yes, let's change their size. Okay, put morph. And let's put this little here, yeah? Let's check it again. Yes. And finally, let's duplicate our slide and let's change position and let's put it here. So, and also let's choose morph. And right now, let's go on our first slide, go to a preview mode, and let's check. You could have this, you could work with your morph presentation by clicking. So for example, right now I'm used clicking, but also you could do it automatically, like put, for example, 1 or 0 seconds of delaying after slides. So here you could put it. So for example, right now we have on a mouse click, but right now let's do it automatically, everything. So we take out mouse click, we just put after 0, 0, okay, click, 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 take out this click, and here let's be on a mouse click because we want to see everything. After, let's put click, after, 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 and here we save on a mouse click. Okay, let's go and let's preview mode. So, and do you see everything works automatically in this time? Yes. So also I was confused with the duration. Here we have 222, but here we have 001. So that's why last one was so quick. So just be sure that you have the same time on a duration with your slides. So yes, that's how could you do it. This is really easy, simple, but it looks really well. So thank you so much and see you on the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes, and also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much and see you.